Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and yet again we are back right here at Middleburg. Sikhona KKFM and ubone ngihamba netimer yama 2K. Ngizongezani?
Your fam. Nikahle. Sengilendile.
Yo kade nje siyabona nje I-energy, he brought the energy.
Nje standard akujiki. Bengisamtshela ngithi uyamazi Will Smith. Ubhuti wami.
Okay, ngiyakutshela namhlanje. Okay, ngicela sibe serious. Okay, so baba namhlanje kuthi ngibone I-energy yakho, shithi ngizoyibona lapha.
Khululeka, you know mina always say le into noJesu phakathi I can't stand. Khona iBhayibheli verse lithi this thing is like fire burning in my bones. So you can't have this thing inside of you. Bese yalala. Ah no you can't.
Kanjani?
Mele kube nomlilo wenzakala.
Shithi namhlanje ngihamba ngijulukile.
Lalela. Okay, ijacket yakhe at least. Bengithi uzoyikhumula.
Lalela, ngiready ngebhatata ngezi, ngiready.
Khumula nembadada ungene la. Yabo ready.
Yeah. I know. I think we have it all. Lapha KKFM akudlalwa la.
Ziyakhipha. Yabona energy yomuntu onginterviewer unamandla. This thing is like fire burning in your bones.
Hey!
Tune into KKFM ziyakhala.
Yeah, boy. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much.